Sure, Dave.
Sure. You got it. Okay. Let me get out of the way first. Okay.
Go.
Okay, go.
Swing, girl. Almost. Oh. Don't let go of that stick. And you legged it. Cheer. Okay, next. Hey, Kathy, you're next.
That's pretty funny.
Okay, Dad, get ready to spin her up.
Kathy will get it.
Go, Kathy!
Alrighty, everybody back up.
It's that boss you don't like.
You gotta hold the stick. Don't let go of the stick. You gotta hold the stick. Don't let go of the stick. I'm backing up.
Are you out, Terry?
All right.
Get that, go, yeah. Oh. Hold it. Hold it. Don't swing. Stop.
You knocked it off.
It broke it right off.
We'll just tie it around his neck.
Here. We'll hang it high.
Take the rope and make water.
Feel there.
It's the hanging of the Taco Bell dog.
Wrap it good, Artie. We don't want this. We want to decapitate it this time.
It's the wrapping of the Taco Bell dog.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
I went over there and watched.
Cammy's gonna nail it. I'll get it.
Cammy will take care of this.
Yeah. All hung up there, ready to be beaten.
Finally, a guy went up there when one kid had a blindfold on and just bashed.
Hey, look it.
Because
It's-
How come you pointed at it? That's legal.
yeah, that's what you're supposed to do. Otherwise, they'd never get it.
Start hitting it.
Oh, wow.
Go, Cammy, go. Oh, beat that thing. Beat that ugly donkey.
Get some sense in there.
It doesn't have any legs. It's a legless donkey.
Look.
Watch it, you got the donkey, that's somebody.
Oh, yeah. Grab the candy. There's candy everywhere.
Better get it all off the ground.